Hi, my name is Nur Afika binti Arman.
Hi, my name is Nur Anisa binti Omar.
Hi, my name is Nordini Alia.
Hi, my name is Nurul Shahada binti Abdul Aziz.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Ashikin binti Muhammad Zahid.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Adlina binti Azmi.
Knowledge management is the process of generating, exchanging, utilizing and maintaining an organizational knowledge and information. Usually, knowledge management activities concentrate on organizational objectives such as increase competitive advantage, enhance efficiency and quality improvement. Knowledge management can be divided into two categories, that is tacit and explicit knowledge.
The organisation that we choose is Telekom Malaysia Berhad. Telekom Malaysia Berhad was founded 36 years ago on 12 October 1984. It is a government company that was publicly traded.
So, Telekom Malaysia's main business activities are managed network service trading, operation of optical fiber systems and mobile internet connectivity. Every company wants a sustainable competitive advantage in their strategic knowledge management. Competitive advantage is when the organization is on top of the industry that outperform other competitors and have the power of economies of scale against their competitors. Sustainability is one of the competitive advantage in every knowledge management for the organization that succeed on lasting in the industry for a long period of time. It is a power that differentiates the company from their competitors and the ability to monopoly the industry. This means that the business has the sustainability to capitalize and fulfill the expectation of customer demand. For example, Telekom Malaysia has been listed as a public listed company in Bursa Malaysia as they have the competitive advantage for their knowledge management to monopoly in the telecommunications industry in Malaysia, and their shares have been published to the public. Technology can give a big impact to the knowledge management of the organization in determining their competitive advantage because it has a major role to determine relative cost position and to differentiate the business from its competitors. Through the advancement technology, Telekom Malaysia has expanded their technology to a wide range of high-tech fiber, copper and submarine cable networks as their competitive advantage, where it was installed more than 90 kilometers of submarine cable with a total of 22 cables that includes over 190,000 kilometers under the sea. Telekom Malaysia is now one ahead from other telecommunications companies due to the advancement that provides submarine cable portfolio for providing link data connectivity to websites and servers that are hosted in international states and to strengthen their business as a monopoly of telecommunications industry in Malaysia.
The third competitive advantage is economic price. Economic pricing that allow the firm to prosper in periods of economic uncertainty as it encourages them to set the lower rates that cater to financially constrained consumers. Furthermore, selling a comparable commodity at a cheaper price will allow them to overcome the competitors in the industry and help to achieve a powerful competitive advantage. As for Telekom Malaysia, they provide a package for the government and student with lower price. The Pack Jasa plan was implemented to the teachers and the Unified Mobile Unlimited Postpaid service was expanded to all civil servants in Malaysia. As for university students, Telekom Malaysia has introduced a special mobile plan with unlimited data to help the student to keep connected to the online distance learning during the movement control order, which is a Unified Mobile Student Pack. The fourth competitive advantages is the variety of products. The organization that provide a variety of products can be a competitive advantage to them because it can have a positive impact on brand preference by influencing the expected quality of the brands. For example, is the variety of product from Telekom Malaysia such as Unify Home, Unify Mobile and 5G service. Unify Home that provide Wi-Fi deco, the free channel of premium entertainment and unlimited data usage. Next is Unify Mobile that provide unlimited data and call for users. Last is 5G service. 5G service is the next stage in the evolution of telecommunication. Through the 5G service, Telekom Malaysia has made a trial to manage traffic, the parking and the public safety in Malaysia. The advancement of the technology makes Malaysia the first country that has stand-alone 5G network.
Firstly, knowledge acquisition. Knowledge acquisition is how an organization or person acquire knowledge, and it is also referred to the knowledge that can be obtained by the firm through the external source. In Telekom Malaysia, they acquire knowledge from supplier by using a supplier relation and material management. For example, TM engage closely with regional cable supplier to enhance their submarine cable portfolio. Next, TM acquire knowledge from customer by establishing customer relation management or CRM. And lastly, TM acquire knowledge from partnership through the partnership ecosystem. Secondly, through knowledge sharing. Knowledge sharing refers to the transfer of knowledge from one person, community or organization to another. Knowledge sharing can be implicit or explicit. In Telekom Malaysia, they use explicit knowledge sharing through the Knowledge Management Portal or KM Portal. Employee can access the needed knowledge through the portal, while for the tacit knowledge sharing happen in Telekom Malaysia when they hold a town hall meeting or teh tarik session with CEO. And due to the pandemic, Telekom Malaysia is currently use a webinar and video conferences to share their knowledge.
Knowledge utilization or application of knowledge is to recreate the routine or knowledge of an organization. Competitive advantages of an organization come from the ability to ultimately utilize the knowledge that they possess. And lastly, through care utilization, new knowledge can be obtained through synthesis, development and enhancement of the existing knowledge. Telekom Malaysia applying care utilization in many ways. Firstly, in 2010, they refined and reduced the system from 700 system to 300 system to accomplish better efficiency and productivity. STM have utilized their knowledge from data analytics, Internet of Things and artificial intelligence to provide more advanced applications and to increase the coverage of 5G. Other than that, the board charter also is routinely reviewed to improve its process and procedure to ensure the alignment with new requirements and regulation and will be revised if necessary. And for the last one, UTM have utilized their existing knowledge to create new knowledge by conducting research and development. New system called ADS503 is created to improve customer services by increasing efficiency in solving customers' problems. This new system has increased the troubleshooting performance from less than 60% to 98% and saved the cost by 780,000 ringgit in the first quarter of 2020.
Now we move on to the challenge. The first challenge faced by TM include customer dissatisfaction. According to MCMC in 2018, there are a lot of complaints against TM, including customer dissatisfaction over billing disputes, service delivery, pricing, lack of unified coverage, and others. The customer dissatisfaction can give a bad reputation for the company. Second challenges that TM face is increasing global and domestic competition. As we know, Astro is one of the competitors of TM that produce the similar services with TM known as Astro IPTV. This service is similar to Unified TV that was introduced by TM. Even though Both of the company are Malaysian companies, but the service offered by Astro is not only can be used in Malaysia, but also in Brunei. This will make it difficult for TM companies to highlight their services because Astro already expand their businesses to another country, which will give more profit and good reputation to their company. Last challenges that TM face is quality of the services, especially in rural areas. Customers that live in rural areas face a problem which is low connection because of low coverage. For instance, MyAssist is one of the telecommunication services under TM that provide services to the people, but not all places are covered by the services, especially in rural areas. This is also will lead to the customer dissatisfaction.
There are two recommendations to overcome any issue or problem. The first is taking customer focus to the next level. As you know that customer focus is one of the organizational goals. Customer focus must be priority for each organization for ensure that the customer is satisfied and loyal when using the product or services. What TM company can do is they actually can conduct a survey twice a year to know the current demand of the customer. From that, the TM able to take an action regarding to the demand, such as improve or upgrade the quality of the services. Thus, by taking customer focus, the company or organization able to ensure that the customer do not regret when using the services. The next recommendation is to resolve the issue of the service faster. Each organization need to take a look of the dispute to prevent customer dissatisfaction. Most of the customer or user face the common issue, which is limited coverage. Either people who live in rural or urban area face the same thing. From that, TM need to at least check or get a feedback of the services, especially to those people who live in rural area. TM need to ensure that the coverage is well supported and able for them to use the services. Thus, when the TM know about the dispute, they can take an action to prevent any issue happen again.
In conclusion, Telekom Malaysia has implemented KM where the knowledge can be developed, shared and utilised to gain and increase the competitive advantage. With all of the competitive advantages, TM is able to sustain in this industry since 1984 and serving 3 million customers in 2019. However, TM also face various challenges as telecommunication industry has a dynamic landscape and will keep changing over time. Hence, Telekom Malaysia will keep implementing knowledge management in adjusting the organisation to the market dynamics and changes due to the globalization.